And now I'm at my downloads folder. Let's open our archive. Let's extract our app and move it to home, projects, and I'm gonna extract it here. Show files, and I'm gonna extract all the archives I have downloaded to this folder. So extract it right here, home, projects, and I'm gonna extract it here. Show files, and so on. So now I moved all archives to my projects folder. Now I'm gonna open up it in VS Code, or you can choose any text editor you want. File, open folder. Let's move to home, projects, and choose any folder you like. So I want first to compile weather app. So select this folder. Inside of here I'm gonna run the terminal. So here we have Gradle view, Gradle view bed. So let's move to trash both these files. And we have Gradle, but it's without that. So if there will be Gradle with that, we should delete this folder. So now let's try to create Gradle wrapper. So first of all, we need to check Java version. So for me it's Java version 11. So if you have another version of Java, so let's create Java home. In my case I have this path, and that leads to my Java 11. This path leads to my JDK 21, and next I got Java home variable. So it leads also to Java version 11, and I export a path to variable Java home /bin $$ path. So this is like I have my paths. If you want to change your Java version, you can just export Java home, and instead of exporting Java home 11, you can export Java home 21.0.22. But for now I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna press Ctrl X, press Shift N to not to save my file. So let's compile a APK file. So as you can see, I have Java version 11 in my VS Code. Let's create a wrapper. So let's write Gradle wrapper. So it created successfully, built successful. So now we can see we got Gradle view and Gradle view bed file is back, but previously we deleted it. So and now we got .gradle folder. So good. Now let's try to compile our APK file. Gradle view assemble debug. Let's wait till program will execute. And I compiled our APK file, built successful after I run Gradle view assemble debug. And now we can see our APK files, not here because it is default from GitHub archive, but now we can move to app, build, outputs, APKs. And now we can see our app debug APK file. So now you can install it on your Android device as I showed in previous tutorial. So after we successfully compiled our APK file, let's try to compile another application. Let's open folder. Let's try login UI Android Master. So let's open this folder. Here we have Gradle view and Gradle bet. Let's delete them. Now terminal new. And let's try Gradle wrapper. So I successfully built my Gradle wrapper. Let's try to compile APK file by running Gradle assemble debug. Gradle view assemble debug. Let's press enter. And now we have an error. So it says depreciated Gradle features were used in this build, making it incomparable with Gradle 9.0. So to solve this problem, we need to try different versions of Gradle. Let's delete .gradle folder. And let's delete Gradle view and Gradle bet. So now let's try another version of Gradle wrapper. Let's try Gradle wrapper version 7.5.1. So command will look like this: Gradle wrapper -- Gradle version Gradle version 7.5.1. Press enter, and it will create our Gradle wrapper with version 7.5.1. We successfully created our Gradle wrapper version 7.5.1. Let's try to compile our APK file with new version of Gradle wrapper. Write Gradle view assemble debug. Now you can find your APK file inside of app, builds, outputs, APK, app debug.apk. So here is our APK file. So now you can, as I showed you before, install it on your Android emulator or inside of your actual phone. So this is how we compile APK files with certain version of Gradle. So in case if you get an error, you can just specify your Gradle version inside of wrapper and just debug your assemble debug to create an APK file. Try different Java versions, try different Gradle wrapper versions, and you're supposed to compile any APK file that you will find on the internet or create by yourself.